Hi friends. During my last visit to Pattaya, I saw this 24-hour self-service coin laundry. It has not only washing machines, but dryers too. A complete wash and dry routine takes less than an hour and costs approximately 100 Thai baht. That does not include the cost of the detergent. One can use a regular detergent powder or a liquid detergent, and both work fine. The laundry service is located on Soi 13 by 2 in a building called the Pattaya Residence. Soi 13 by 2 can be accessed from the beach road and also from the second road. It is close to Walking Street. These are modern, front-load washing machines with option to wash clothes at cold, warm, or hot water settings. The cost of a wash cycle varies from 50 to 70 Thai baht, depending on the temperature option you choose. A wash cycle takes less than 30 minutes to complete. The dryer costs 50 Thai baht for a 24-minute run, and one can choose to dry clothes at low, medium, or hot temperatures. The machines need to be fed 10 baht coins, which can be taken from the coin dispenser available there. Next to the coin dispenser is a detergent and softener dispenser. Each pack of detergent and softener costs 5 Thai baht. To wash clothes, load the clothes, and close the machine door. Select the wash temperature, and insert coins as displayed by the machine. Then press the start button. To dry, load the clothes in the dryer, close the door, select drying temperature, and insert coins. Then press start button. This self-service laundry is open 24 hours, and staff is available to help, up to 10 p.m. If you are going there for the first time, and may need help, it is better to go during daytime. The cabin has chairs to sit, ceiling fans to cool the place, and an exclusive washroom for the customers. Overall, this self-service wash and dry is super convenient and value for money. You will like it, as I did. Please consider giving a thumbs up if you liked the video, and subscribe for more such content in the future. Many thanks for watching.